So today we decided to come down to Englewood, which is in Florida, around the Venice area, right off of Tamiami Trail in what we refer to as Southwest Florida, to check out this relatively new community that recently opened up their amenities, and it's called BeachWalk. Tell us a little bit about BeachWalk.
So we're currently at BeachWalk, 2.5 miles from the beach, which is pretty cool. And it's got a full bar and restaurant, resort-style amenities that are open and coming, and then no CDD fees, which is a huge selling point.
That's huge. This is actually built by DiVosta, which is a upgraded Pulte product. And to Cydney's point, with the 2.5 miles, you can walk there, take a bike, take a golf cart, obviously drive. I don't know if you'd want to walk there, but I guess if you wanted to get your steps in, that could be an option for you too. What does this amenity center have right here?
So this is a clubhouse. You have a fitness center, card room, and then right behind it's the pool and bar and restaurant. So it's got quite a bit in there. It's looking great.
Yeah, it looks absolutely fantastic. Today it's a little bit cloudier out, so there's not too many people here, which was kind of nice for us to get a quick few shots. But the fitness center looked absolutely fantastic. There was a little cafe in there that you can get stuff like smoothies, maybe some coffees and whatnot. They had a couple hosts right up front that can point you in the right direction. The pool was up and running, looking fantastic. We will give you a little bit of a tour and talk about some of the floor plans as well.
Yep.
So let's dive into the different collections of floor plans here that they have. We've got 4 different collections: the Vista, which is going to be your villa style homes, your Scenic, Distinctive, and Echelon series. The Scenic, Distinctive, and Echelons are going to be your single family homes that are all going to be at least 2-car garages. But we start off with our Vista villa style homes. We've got 2 plans here, the Seagrove and the Cascadia. These are going to start around $350,000, and once you add in your lot and options, can get up a little bit more. And then our Scenic style homes, or collections of homes, are going to be where we start our single family homes. These start in the low 400s and go up to just over 1,600 square feet, maybe 1,700 square feet. And then we get into our next style of homes, which are going to be a little bit bigger and tend to be our more popular style homes. These start in the low 500s, but do include the popular AllGen floor plan, which is going to be for those multi-generational families where you have some extra kids or some older family members that want to join you and want their own separate space. The Echelon series are going to be the most expensive and largest style of homes, which start in the high 600s or low 700s, but can get as much as 1.2, 1.3 million, depending on what you're looking for, and can be as big as up to 4,000 square feet. All of these floor plans will have at least 2-car garages, but majority of them have that 3-car garage. So if you are looking for a bigger home with some more space, some more storage space, and obviously more rooms, those are some good options for you as well. Here we have our home site floor map, or home site map, which is going to show all the different floor plans series and where you can find those inside the community. And this right now is showing how many homes are actually sold, what's still available, and what's still going on in the community itself. And so that's a little bit about BeachWalk here in Englewood. Again, it's just around the Venice area if you're looking on a map. And we're curious to know what you guys think. Do you like these floor plans? Do you like the amenities? What is your favorite thing about this?
Apart from the location and it being so close to the beach, I think it's pretty unique that it does not have CDD fees with as much as it has to offer.
Yeah, and so all the time we get families that are looking to relocate that don't know what a CDD fee is, and don't get me wrong, it does get confusing. And so if you can just eliminate that fee and the confusion altogether, this is your place to do that at. So if you're looking for more information, where can they reach us?
You guys can email us at info@hollandhoolihan.com or visit us on our website at hollandhoolihan.com. Yup.